I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming access. Use a page or profile with live permissions and sign in. Once signed in, choose live video and pick camera or streaming software. Prepare your title, description, and privacy. If using OBS or hardware, copy the streaming key from Facebook. Make sure your camera and microphone are set to 1080p at 30 fps if possible, and prefer Ethernet or Wi-Fi 5 GHz for stability. Now connect your device or OBS to Facebook using that key. You're ready to move forward. Once done with account setup, configure your encoder. Set bitrate between 2500 and 6000 kbps depending on upload speed, match resolution to your camera, and choose 3060 fps. Create scenes in OBS or your hardware encoder, live camera, screen share, graphics, and a microphone mix, and assign hotkeys for quick switching. Then paste Facebook's stream key into the encoder and enable auto reconnect options. Before going live publicly, run a short private or unlisted test stream to verify audio levels, sync, and overlay. When everything checks out, start streaming from your encoder and then confirm go live on Facebook for stream key workflows. Watch stream health metrics and chat. Keep an eye on bitrate, CPU usage, and any dropped frames. Engage viewers with cues and switch scenes when needed. If audio lags or frames drop, reduce bitrate or resolution, switch to a wired connection, or restart your encoder. One key troubleshooting tip: always test upload speed and allow a 10-20% buffer between measured speed and your chosen bitrate to prevent buffering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.